Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset OPPO A55 smartphone. Okay, this is helpful for those who have forgot their password. Okay, to do hard reset, first power off your smartphone. Just slide down to power off. Okay, now it is successfully power off, and now press and hold the volume down and power key together for a few seconds. Just press and hold it and release. Okay, now the volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. Okay, now confirm language. Okay, now after it you can also use touch feature. Okay, now go to wipe data and you can see wipe data, retain context messages and photos, and format data. Go to format data and you can see please enter verification code 3255. Enter it 3255 and you can see format data. All users data will be reset. Okay, now tap on format. So you can see wiping, please wait, do not perform any other operations, and you can see wiped successfully. Now tap on OK. So guys, this is the method to hard reset OPPO A55 smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't got relate to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and click on bell icon for latest updates.